Ready to serve.
Lalagyan ko na lang din ng paprika.
Hello mga madam! For today's video ay magluluto ako ng chicken pastel because I want my husband to try it. And it's a Filipino food, I guess. I have chicken breast and then I just boiled it for like 15 minutes. And then I have leftover chicken breast from the other day.
Lalagay lang natin siya sa lalagay ko lang siya sa plato. Because I'm craving for it, so itatry ko. It's my first time to make this chicken fats. What time now, babe?
It's 4:30.
4:30. So
4:24.
okay. I think
Just gonna tear it to pieces. Himay-himay. Yan yung tawag sa Tagalog. We call it himay-himayin. Sa amin naman, sa Ilonggo, sa Hiligaynon, ang tawag namin sa himay-himayin ay sipad-sipad. Sipad-siparon. Yan yung tawag sa amin. Ay, tanggal. Kakatapos ko lang siyang himay-himayin. And now, magsaslice na ako ng ingredients. Meron ako ditong chop na garlic, tapos ginger, then onions. Lagay ko na muna dito. Ito lang yung onion, 2 piraso. So my husband will gonna fold the laundry.
What time is it?
Oh, I don't know. 4:43. 4:43, babe. I think I need to. Oh, okay. Yan lang pala. Para mas madali. Maganda. Big help talaga tong food processor. Big help. Thank you, Aunt Lori, for giving this food processor. Wait. Wait, babe, huh? It's all done.
pino. Ganda kasi helpful talaga to. Pino. Mapino siya. Anong tawag? Mapino. Healthy. Mas maganda pag may ginger para healthy. Meron lang hindi na 3 piraso pero okay lang. Ano ko na dito?
Tapos meron ako ditong chicken broth.
His iPhones are retarded.
Hmm?
I don't think so.
Ha? Nothing?
Nothing.
Ah, okay. Ito lang yung gagamitin ko na pan. Kasi konti lang naman. Ayan, mag-isa na ko. Let's start. Ito yung ginagamit namin yung avocado oil kasi mas healthy yung avocado oil. Lalagyan ko din ng olive oil para mas kasi dapat madaming mantika. Yan. Fresh extra virgin oil. Yung garlic. Madaming garlic. Para mas healthy. More garlic. Then the ginger.
Oh, no, problem. Take your time. I just don't think you're in the house. Okay.
Maraming ginger. Set ko lang siya sa low fire. Ay, grabe yung outfit ko. Naka-short.
And now I'm going to add the chicken breast na hinimay-himay.
Oyster sauce. Estimate lang. Hindi ako basta estimate lang. Oyster sauce. Siguro nasa 2 teaspoon. Teaspoonful. Tablespoon pa na. Tablespoon. Salt. Saan pa mga nilagyan ko na sugar. Konting sugar lang para maanghang. Tapos may sugar to balance the taste. 1 teaspoon lang. Bay leaf. Bay leaf, 3 pieces lang na dahon. Lagyan ko ng konting chicken broth. Para mas maging flavorful. Hindi naman pala maanghang. Chili crushed. Kanyang lasa, lalagyan ko na lang din ng paprika. Para na dumami yung paprika, ha? So, okay lang. Mas mabango pag may paprika. So, chicken pastel. Ready to serve.
Dinner is
My
ready.
hair all messed up. You gonna record me?
Yeah, it's fine. Sarap! Wow, hindi pa mag-focus.
Was this on here?
Hmm?
This doesn't fit here.
I picked the wrong one, so it's okay. Rice, of course. It's hot. Dinner is ready. Mainit pa, habang mainit. I'm already. So we're dinner time. Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. Thank you, Lord.